Good morning, dear students. So today we're gonna have another assignment on Google Docs. So we are coming to an end of Google Docs. There'll be a few more things I'm gonna show you in the class, and then we're gonna start learning Google Sheets, which is a alternative for Microsoft Excel. So just a reminder, when you guys try to go to Google Classroom, sometimes when you check it in here, it may not show up. Mine is showing up, but in case if it's not showing up, what I can suggest is to click on Gmail. Try to go to your Gmail account, and then when you guys connect to Gmail account, Google understands and takes it the way that you are actually using the Chromebook, and then they give you an access. They may not give you an access right away. So when you guys go to Gmail and then use apps, then you're going to see Classroom. But at the beginning, you may not be able to see it. So if that's the case, please use go to Google Classroom through Gmail. Now, let's see what we have this week. This week we have I have posted two things for you. The first one was for yesterday, mondaytyping.com beginner 6 levels. So guys, here I'm gonna wait until tomorrow, and then I'm expecting it to have 6 of your typing lessons done by now. Let me show you what I mean. So if you guys check on your typing.com, you're gonna see the levels of beginner. As you can see, here I have lessons, and then it shows me how many levels you've completed. So as you can see, level has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 different lessons. So which makes up the beginner level. So what I'm expecting you to get done at least the first 6 by tomorrow, because we've been doing it since the beginning. So please be cautious and try to complete. As so far, not many people have completed it, but I can check some other classes, and I think some other classes they might have completed. Yeah, as you can see, Matthew have completed most of it. So okay, so please keep in mind. Now what we're gonna do today, so you can kind of ignore this, just to make sure you type your complete your typings. Tuesday ordered and unordered bulleted list. So we're gonna work on this assignment today. So here we need students will create 2 different lists, list of their classes using ordered list, and then list of 10 holidays in a year using unordered list. Please watch the video for the reference. So I'm recording the video now. Now let's create a Google Docs, and then let me show you how to create the lists. So when you guys open the Google document, can you please make sure you have a heading set? So you're gonna type a title. It's gonna be my classes and holidays throughout the year. And then so you're gonna highlight it, okay? And then if you guys check here, we have heading 1. So you want to pick heading 1, and it's going to apply that. So it's going to make it much bigger and then a bit bold. So that's the function of this. We can give your text different styles. For example, if it was a title, it would be a title. If it was a smaller heading, it would be smaller heading, or subtitle would be same. So we have not going to use it for now. Just make it heading 1. Now, next thing is, if you read the instructions again, students will create 2 different lists. First one is list of their classes using ordered list. So we're gonna list our classes. So you're gonna put my classes. Okay, and then you type, so whatever you have. Let's see, math, science, history, PE. What else you have? learning lab. So whatever you guys have, I'm not sure much about your classes because each grade level has different classes. So just when you have this list, you see I have a list of my classes. You can just make them ordered list. So what is ordered list? Ordered list means it's gonna give them numbers, assign numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so how are we gonna do that? If you guys check in here, numbered list, you see numbered list. When you click on that, it automatically gives it numbers. So it wasn't there before, you see it's not here, but when you guys click on numbered list, it's going to automatically assign it numbers, so I know how many items I have under my classes. Okay, and then after that you enter 2 times. Look, when you guys click on a key enter on your keyboard, it goes to the next line. And then it's expecting me to write the 6th line, but I'm not gonna write another. If you guys, let's say you don't want to write another line, if you press another enter, it's gonna get out of numbered list and then go back to regular line. Does it make sense? So again, look, entering once gives you another chance to add another item to this numbered list, but if you enter again, then it's gonna take you to the beginning of the line. Now I'm gonna type holidays, right? Holidays. You actually want to leave some space between holidays and learning labs. So how are we going to do that? If you click at the beginning of holiday and then you enter, it's going to shift it to the next line. And then you're going to automatically have a little space. Okay. Now under holidays, let's put all the holidays. For example, Easter, or let's say Halloween, or let's say New Year, or let's say Christmas, or let's say whatever holidays you have. It could be your cultural holiday, for example, Ramadan. I mean, I know Ramadan is a Muslims, right? You may know it. I know it. And let's write a few more. So we said how many we need to write? Holidays, 10. So I'm gonna add another 5. So let's think of another 5 holidays. Okay, so and so on. So how many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So please add 2 more because I don't want to give you the whole list. There are like many holidays, guys. If you're not sure about the holidays, what you can do is you can go on Google and then type, let's type holidays in a year in US. Let's say we are in the United States, so we're gonna give you, you see, this is the whole, like, a lot of this. So you can go with Thanksgiving, Christmas, Juneteenth, Independent, and so on. So just put all of them in here in a list and highlight the list. And also it's supposed to be bulleted, unordered list. So there was numbered list, unordered list. This is gonna be unordered, means there is not going to be any numbers. It's going to just give you bulleted points. All right, if you guys click here, it's going to add you bulleted points, or you could also go to the drop down menu and then actually pick different bulleted points, but let's not do it today. Let's today just add a list of your classes in numbered or ordered list, and then let's add the name of holidays in unordered, or we can say in a bulleted list. All right, so this is what we're going to do today. So we're going to complete this, and then you are going to click on turn in and then turn it in. When you guys done, please go to your typing.com and then try to finish the levels that you're supposed to finish by tomorrow. So you see Monday, it was assigned Monday, but it's due tomorrow. We've been doing it more than 2 months now. You should have completed at least 6 seconds. All right. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys again tomorrow.